Hey guys, and welcome to the life of a stay-at-home mom.
Did you poop for the third time today? Did you spit up on the new outfit Mommy just put you in? Maybe.
Welcome to this week's video. So I woke up like this, and I don't really care about doing my hair or putting on makeup or anything like that, because I'm pretty much staying inside the whole day. I thought it would be fun to show you guys what it's like to be a stay-at-home mom. And honestly, I'm tired and I just want to sleep and I want to eat everything under the sun and I don't care about my hair. So welcome to this week's vlog. I thought I would title it something that has to do with stay-at-home mom, or a week in the life of a stay-at-home mom. But it's gonna be like a normal vlog. Anyway, this week is not super busy. I do want to make an appointment with my doctor and get checked out for my postpartum anemia, because my crap OB told me just to get off the iron. And so I did. And so I think part of the reason why I was sick last week is the iron had probably like gotten out of my body, because I had stopped taking it, and I was starting to feel bad because of that. So I'm gonna call and make an appointment. I should do that right away. And just get checked out for my postpartum anemia and just see like where I am with that. I got dishes and laundry to fold and need to rid up the living room, do cleaning the bottles, you know, all of the normal stuff. Going to do my hair before I started this video, but then I was like, I'm doing a life of a stay-at-home mom, so this is what it's really like. Okay guys, today is Tuesday. Caden had a little bit of a rough night last night. He just like wouldn't stop screaming around midnight. I tried to feed him and his nose was clogged, so we sucked it with the nose Frida. And we've been giving him some saline drops in there. We're thinking that he might need a humidifier, so we're looking into that. He's in his swing over there, swinging. I have been doing work around the house, so I got up 8, been taking care of baby, obviously, and then I just worked out like 20 minutes ago. And then I am still working on my lifestyle change. I've been counting calories. So I had some cereal and I'm like starving for lunch. I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna have for lunch yet though. And meanwhile, I've been cleaning up the kitchen. It doesn't look like it, but I have. Cleaning out the cabinets and the drawers. So I did the drawers. I did almost all the cabinets. I just have a few that I need to go through, like the pantry area. And then I have a big long cabinet over there that is just a total mess. So I really need to look through there. And then I have the cabinet that's under the microwave. And that has like a bunch of our appliances and stuff. So I really just need to go through that. Then I'm done with that. And then after going through the last of the cabinets, I just have to declutter the kitchen, just see if there's anything in there that I just want to get rid of that we don't need. But I just cleaned out the fridge and freezer, and it's crazy how much stuff just is in there that's like expired or not good. I filled up like a whole trash sack, which is like not good. Yeah, and Ari wanted to say hi. Hi. Say hi. Oh, another thing I wanted to show you guys is we got a new chair. So this person from church was getting rid of this really nice chair, and you guys probably don't know, but we had a really ugly brown one right here, but now we got this really nice comfortable beige looking one, and it actually matches the colors in here because our couch is like a gray blue, and so I put gray blue pillows on here, and then over on the couch, if I turn those pillows over, they are the color of the chair, so it all kind of works out. So yeah, that was exciting to get that for free, and it's super comfy. So today is Wednesday. Caden slept amazing last night. Amazing. And you could tell I got sleep. So he went to bed around 8-ish last night, and Usually I try to feed him a bit around 9:30, but he had just eaten at 8, so I just left him. So he ate and fell asleep at 8, and then he didn't wake up until 7 a.m. Super exciting. He's down there playing on his new mat. Totally enjoying it and loving it. We're gonna do his milestone photos. Today he is 15 weeks. Next week he's gonna be 4 months old. So we're going to work on his next milestone photo. It gives me time to like edit and everything. And today I'm going to work in the downstairs bathroom, which is like the litter room. It has the litter boxes. So I'm going to clean the bathroom, clean the litter boxes, do the floor, just wipe that whole entire thing down. But before I do that, I'm going to put dinner in because it's a slow cooker meal. I'm going to do dishes and trash and laundry, the usual. I've also been still trying to wash the pink out of my hair, and it feels like no more of it is washing out, so I may just have to let it fade over time or something, but it seems like it's still there a little bit. So today is Friday. What should I catch you up on? So I have just been cleaning lots. Yesterday I wasn't able to clean very much because somebody was super fussy. Yes. So I was only able to do the dishes and exercise yesterday. Anyway, today I am doing the rest of the work that's needed to be done in the kitchen. I have to finish those dishes, wipe down the appliances, sweep the floor, mop the floor, and then the kitchen is pretty much done. But pretty much just doing cleaning, taking care of baby, exercising, trying to eat healthy, all of that stuff. So, yeah. Are you talking? Talking? I have all this stuff to clean up. That's the free bouncer I got. There's just some clothes I brought down that should fit baby. Everything looks so messy. So after I finish the stuff in the kitchen, I'm gonna do some ridding up in the living room, and then I'm going to probably vacuum. The last time I turned the vacuum on though, it scared the baby, so I may wait until my husband gets home to do that. But yeah. Okay guys, today is Saturday. So we got up, did some stuff. I did a 10-minute workout in the morning, and then I just got done with a 30-minute workout, which was dancing, so that's why I'm like super red and like look awful. And I did it with my husband, which is really nice. We did the Fitness Marshall. And he's a YouTuber, I don't know if you guys know, but he does like Zumba type videos. And so we did like 6 of those. I've been telling you guys that I've been counting calories this week. And so doing that using the app called Lose It. I'm not sponsored, I'm just saying I've been using that and counting calories, and I've lost almost 5 pounds just this week. So it's an amazing difference. Yeah, so I'm gonna continue on with counting calories and hopefully losing weight and getting healthier. So yeah, I just wanted to update you guys on that. We're just gonna chill the rest of the day. We got a Redbox to watch, which is Godzilla. We're gonna watch that and have a really nice steak dinner, and then just hang out and have a good 3-day weekend. So I guess I will end the vlog here and say thanks so much for watching this video. And if you guys don't know already, I put out regular videos, which are like DIYs, lifestyle videos, every Friday, and then every Sunday I put out weekly vlogs in real time. So yeah, subscribe if you want to stick around, and that's about it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video soon. Bye!